Today we explore Immich and Ente, two powerful private photo backup apps. Choosing the right one can completely change how you manage your photos without the worry of privacy breaches. Let's look at both options. Immich and Ente serve the same purpose, to securely back up your photos. The core difference lies in their features and user experience. Immich focuses on self-hosting capabilities, while Ente emphasizes ease of use with cloud integration. Immich is a self-hosted photo backup solution designed for privacy-conscious users. It allows you to store your photos on your own server, giving you complete control over your data. The app features a user-friendly interface, enabling seamless uploads and organization of images. Its strengths include robust privacy features and the ability to customize your server settings. However, it does require some technical knowledge to set up and maintain, which may not be ideal for everyone. Immich is perfect for users who prioritize data sovereignty and are comfortable with self-hosting solutions. Ente is a cloud-based photo backup app that simplifies the process of storing and sharing your images. With an intuitive interface, Ente allows users to effortlessly upload and organize their photos. One of its main strengths is the automatic backup feature, which ensures your images are consistently saved without manual intervention. Additionally, Ente offers collaborative sharing options, making it easy to share albums with friends and family. However, as a cloud-based solution, users may have concerns about privacy and data security. Ente is ideal for users seeking a hassle-free backup experience without the complexities of server management. When comparing Immich and Ente, consider your priorities. If you value complete control over your data and are comfortable with self-hosting, Immich is the better choice. It allows for greater customization and privacy, but requires technical expertise. On the other hand, if you prefer a user-friendly experience with automatic backups and easy sharing, Ente excels in convenience. However, it may come with potential privacy concerns due to its cloud-based nature. For example, a user who frequently travels might appreciate Ente's automatic backup feature, while someone focused on data security might lean towards Immich for its self-hosting capabilities. For those who prioritize privacy and control, Immich is the recommended choice. If convenience and ease of use are your main concerns, Ente is the way to go. Both apps have their strengths, so choose the one that aligns with your needs for the best photo backup experience.